a poor little bird was lying injured and motionless on the grass. Its tired eyes looked around as it let out faint cries for help. Luckily, a kind couple passing by heard the bird's weak calls. They came closer and saw the helpless bird struggling to move. Feeling sorry for it, they gently picked it up and took it home. At home, they cared for its wounds and helped it recover day by day. Thanks to their love, the bird slowly regained its strength. Since then, the little bird has treated the kind couple as its best friends. Every day it waits in front of their gate as if to say thank you.